Hey, back again guys, this is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel. As you've seen in the thumbnail and the title, here I am going to show you the Poco X3 loudness increasing by using certain tools present in the MIUI, and I will be showing you two different methods. One is by tool and another one by installing a application. I will be showing two different ways to increase the loudness of this Poco X3 stereo speakers. Not just that, by using the earphones and even the Bluetooth earphones or the Bluetooth speaker, you're going to amplify or increase the loudspeakers. After certain update, the loudness of this Poco X3 has been reduced, but I will show you here two different methods to increase the loudness of this smartphone. So stay tuned till the end of the video. By seeing this video, you will be getting the clear idea, or definitely after watching this video you will be going to feel the difference in loudness of this smartphone. So watch till the end of the video, and if you're first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the notification by pressing the bell icon. If you like the video, give it a like. And this is the Poco X3 device, and these settings or tools or app installation you can do in any smartphone. Then you can increase the loudness of your dual stereo speaker sound using earphones and headphones. You can definitely going to increase. First method I am going to show here. Go to security app in MIUI. You will be getting this in any Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco devices. Go and select video toolbox, but this video toolbox should be advanced one. I will show you one more thing here. If you enable video toolbox, you can choose the apps here. You can't choose games here. That is one limitation I found in this app, but don't worry guys, I have showed one more method, so stay tuned till the end of the video. I'll be showing you. As you can see, I selected some of the media playing apps, and let me go into YouTube. And if you swipe from here, as you can see here, you get these style and sound settings. You need to go to sound settings, and by default it will be in 0 level for clarity. Increase it to 3. Even the volume level is also limited to 0. Increase it to 3. Definitely guys, after applying these settings, the speaker quality, it is going to be amplified. Definitely you're going to try it out. Definitely this is one method to increase the loudness of your speakers on Poco X3 device or any Xiaomi, Redmi devices, but it should be advanced security settings. But the next method what I am going to show is, it is working in any Android smartphones which is running Android 11 and above. Go to Play Store and just type Google Amplifier. If you type here, it will be getting this Google Amplifier. Just go and install this app. If you don't find, I will be giving the link in the description down below. Do check out. After installing this Google Amplifier, just go here and check out sound settings. You can boost up to here. Definitely this will going to increase your loudspeakers and even using the earphones. And just see this message here. Now new Bluetooth headphones now supported. That means you can use this Bluetooth earphones or headphones or this kind of Bluetooth speaker. There also you can enhance, you can amplify the sound. You can increase the loudness of your smartphone by using this method. Not just that, you can adjust here separately, the left channel and the right channel. You can increase or decrease the sound settings. You can boost or you can even fine tune it. This is how you can do. Not just that, even the noise levels also you can reduce it to up to high, medium, low based upon your requirement. I will say you keep it in the medium, and sound settings go to just above this level, and fine tuning also just this settings will definitely going to improve in your smartphone. You will be getting the loud noise from your loud voice or loud music from this stereo speakers and earphones and everything like that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will be getting definitely the audio experience better than previous. I hope it. If you really get it, do go and comment down below, and also like the video if you like the video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video with another new trick.